Recipe Lounge. How are you all? Thank you so much for joining me. And today's recipe that I have come with is chicken lollipops. So first of all, what we need is minced meat, chicken minced meat. I've got 1 kg here. We would also need 2 green chilies, which I have gone ahead and cut, and 1 red onion, a large one. So we're gonna go ahead and add the onion and the green chilies to the minced meat. I have already 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs. We're also going to be adding these to the mince. So we're going to be going ahead and adding these spices to the mince. And I've got half a cup of green fresh coriander. We're going to be adding this. Also be needing 1 egg for binding the mixture. Now we're going to mix really well. So mix really well. Here I have 6 sticks for lollipops. So I've put them in water to soak for about 5 minutes so that they don't burn when we're frying. So in this wok I'm going to add oil. I'm going to put the gas on. And while this is heating up, we're going to make the lollipops. So take some in your hand, just for a little ball size, and then make a round ball. So basically about 2 tablespoons. So yes, put the stick in and then put it in the fryer. And just drop it in the oil, like so. So take about roughly 2 to 3 tablespoons in your hand, make a round ball, and then put the stick in there. And then just put it in the oil. So I'm going to just make 6 today, but there's enough mixture for about 12. So don't try to move them until it's been about half an hour, 5 minutes. So like so. I'm going to fry this for another 5 minutes yet. Because they're very soft. And that's the 6th one going in. So now at this stage, when they've been in there for about 5 minutes, you can move them around. So this is really makes a nice children's snack. They can take it in their lunch box. You can have it for their parties. Children just generally like things on a stick. And you can have it for an adult party as well. So some look ready. I'm just going to take them out. Like so. They all look ready. I'm going to take them out and serve. I'm taking them out on a kitchen towel. So these are the 6 lollipop chicken. Thank you so much for watching. and I hope you do try this easy recipe. I'm gonna have it with chili sauce, but you can have any sauce of your choice. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye everyone.